What should you choose in 2025 if you're a crypto investor in Canada? With dozens of AI bots on the market, it's easy to get lost. But here are two well-established platforms and one new Canadian-focused option worth your attention. 3 Commas, a globally recognized bot that supports over 20 major crypto exchanges. It allows you to build flexible strategies, copy top traders, and manage risk with smart automation. Great for both beginners and advanced users. Bitsgap, an all-in-one trading platform with built-in grid bots, arbitrage tools, and portfolio automation. It's ideal for traders managing assets across multiple exchanges. But if you're in Canada, consider Finotraze, a next-gen AI trading bot designed with Canadian markets, banks, and regulatory standards in mind. Finotraze uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to scan the markets 24/7, automatically adjust your strategy, and generate results often within the first 24 hours. You don't need to manually configure settings or monitor charts. The bot handles it all. Why Canadian traders are switching to Finotraze? Tailored to Canadian exchanges and financial systems, cloud-based, no software installation, works fully on autopilot. Beginner-friendly, high-performance, powered by real-time AI, secure, and compliant with Canadian data standards. Important, use only the official link in this video description to access Finotraze. Due to an increase in fake sites, never enter personal info outside the verified platform. Special bonus, when you sign up through the official Finotraze link, you'll receive an exclusive welcome bonus, including priority onboarding, access to premium strategies, and 7 days of free AI trading tools. If you're serious about automating your investments with smart tech in 2025, Finotraze is made for you.